In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the SiD Instant EFT plugin for Prestashop. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is open the GitHub page for the SiD Instant EFT plugin for Prestashop and download the latest version. At the time of this video, the latest version is version 1 for Prestashop version 1.7. You don't need to worry about the source code zips, just the first one. Once downloaded, extract the zip into a safe location on your computer. Once extracted, open the folder. In the folder, you will notice there are two files, the Prestashop setup instructions file and the sid.zip. All the instructions you need to install the plugin are contained in this file, but let's go through them. Step 1, you need to log into your Prestashop admin area. Once you are logged in, you'll move the mouse to the left-hand side of the screen where it says Improve, mouse over Modules and click the down arrow. Then click Modules and Services. Next, you're going to move the mouse up near the top of the screen and click Upload a module. There are two ways to upload the module. First will be to click Select File, and you will navigate on your computer to where you have extracted the zip and click the sid.zip. Alternatively, you can open the folder and drag the sid.zip onto the screen. Once it is uploaded and installed, click Configure. The Configure page will have three input boxes. To get the content for the input boxes, you'll need to go to the SiD merchant portal at https://merchant.sidpayments.com. Once the page opens, you will log in using your account details and you'll be able to get the buyer return URL. The information for these input boxes can be found in the SiD merchant portal. You'll need to input your merchant code, SiD URL, and private key into these boxes. Once you have done so, click Save. Once it says Settings Updated, that means that the SiD plugin is now live on Prestashop. And that's all there is to it. Thank you and good luck.